Right guys, I just got taught, how to do a zip, like that, without making a noise. Ready? You ready? So you're gonna hear it a long while away, yeah? Right, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So here's a method, alright? I got taught this, and it's very simple, but very useful. Mind blown. Alright, ready? So we'll do it really fast. Ready? Are you ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah! See, you didn't hear it. Ah! See, you didn't hear it again. See, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much. And leave a like, comment, subscribe. Bye.